Hey, hi traders, this is Partiban and I'm gonna explain to you guys on few currency pairs. Okay, the key level for GBP USD is over here and the next key level is somewhere here. But if you look at a weekly chart, market is heading towards 1.3814. It's not so nearby at the moment, but if at all we want to analyze the charts based on this on H4, I would say the key levels over here is the market try to break, fail, penetrated, retest, and tested the next key level, penetrated, retest again, fail, penetrated, try to break, fail, and during FOMC there was a spike and market drop. So if you ask me, there's a minor key level at this level. If at all it pull back to this area, you can go short. Place your stop loss above this wick. If at all it break below this and retest, you can go short here. Okay, and Euro USD market is rotating and it takes a lot of momentum. It's actually the entire market is ranging. If you see, it tried to break, fail, tried to break, fail, penetrated. So there's another resistance here. Then it retested, try to break, fail, try to break, fail. Even there was a failure 3 times. Buyers are still defending this price very well, you see, and sellers are defending the price too. So at the moment you can't really take position on long term. What you can do is buy low, sell high, close your buy position here. So at the as the market reach, you'll be profiting from the market. USD JPY, if you ask me, on a weekly chart, there was a 2-bar reversal over here, which is a valid, and market is actually heading to this area, and this is almost another under 50 pips. But on daily chart, what do we see? Market has a potential to pull back up to this, then head here, or simply just reach here, and then a lot of sellers are waiting over here, and buyers, those who entered here massively, will do a profit taking here. And you must remember, today there's a news for Bank of Japan, high impact news. Let's look at the news. Okay, interest rate. Bank of Japan did not change the interest rate, but you have a Bank of Japan press conference. So basically there are some high impact news, and Euro is ranging for this ECB President Draghi speech tonight. You can see some volatility after that, and this is what I see on Euro. At the moment you can buy low, sell high, but if you ask me, sellers are defending this price and buyers are quite strong at here. USD JPY, I did mention. USD CHF, it's a bit interesting scenario here. Okay, you see, sellers, these are the entry of sellers. Assume you are a seller here, you have entered here, you have pushed the price from this area to a new territory, then buyers pull back, buyers start to buy, and sellers defending, then sellers push the price lower, then buyers try to bring higher, sellers push the price down, buyers brought the price as high as this previous high. Sellers defended. Sellers defended. Then they push it to new territory. Now again the price is reaching this area. You can wait at this area to go short. If at all the price penetrate higher and retest, you can become a buyer. Okay. And USD CAD, if you ask me, this is the key level. Market trying to break, fail, penetrated, retest, and again it's trying to retest. If you see a confirmation, you can go short to bring the price lower. If not, if at all the price penetrate higher at the retest, you can become a buyer and bring the price higher. Okay, New Zealand dollar. Wow, this is good trade. Okay. Okay, not much space for us to manage the trade. If at all the market enter here and then pull back as high as this, I will go short here to bring the price lower. But this trade has no room at the moment. And let's look at gold. A lot of people were asking me about gold trade. Seriously, it was uptrend till yesterday. Once the FOMC interest rate when federal bank federal see, let me show you. US federal fund rate, it was just remains same, but market have reacted positively for gold, positive for USD and negative for gold. So what happened was we were having a buy trade here. So what market have done is all the while it was uptrend, penetrated, retest, advance again over here. It looks like uptrend, but now it's reverse. So I would not sell at this price. I'll wait for pullback to go short and flow down as the market goes as low as possible. So I do see a downside exposure for gold at the moment. Okay. Okay, 200 Audi. A lot of traders, my students also, we have all of us have position on 200 Audi. If you see this market, it's actually a very good range market where each time price drops here, a lot of buyers enter, a lot of buyers enter, a lot of buyers enter. Buyers defending this price and sellers also selling at this area. So if you ask me now, price is at lowest point where you can afford to buy. You can buy. The minimum lot is one lot, which is equivalent to 0.1. Okay, this 200 OD CFD. So it'll be a good price if you can buy. And once you reach the center price, say about 57.22, then you can close your position, or it depends how you manage your trade. Okay, thank you. That's all for this week. Good luck, traders.